The keyboard solo in Shut Up and Dance has 5 sections to it, and I'm going to break those down for you right here. The first section is a D-flat major triad outlined. So we start with a D-flat with a thumb, going to an A-flat, and then we go to the F. And we're going to put a little vibrato on that. So you have the ability to add vibrato to your tone, definitely do that. So it sounds like this. The second part of it is a little bit of a D-flat major scale. It starts on the A-flat right here, and it winds its way down like this. A-flat, B-flat, A-flat, G-flat, F, E-flat, D-flat, and then A-flat, F, and then a vibrato. So up a little bit more in tempo, sounds like this. The counting of it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The third section of the solo is just 4 notes. It goes like this. A-flat, B-flat, A-flat, D-flat, and then the vibrato. So a little bit faster, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. The next section is an ascending line that starts on this B-flat and goes all the way up to this high D-flat. This is the trickiest part of the whole thing. So start slowly and work your way up in speed. B-flat, F, D-flat, A, F, B-flat, A-flat, D-flat, B-flat, E-flat, D-flat, F, E-flat, A-flat, F, B-flat, D-flat, and then the vibrato. So in time, it has a little bit of a swing to it, like that. So it's going to be. And then the final bit of the solo is going to start here on the E-flat. And it's a series of little 3-note patterns that goes like E-flat, D-flat, E-flat, F, E-flat, F, G-flat, F, G-flat, A-flat, G-flat, A-flat, and then the vibrato. So up to a little bit of speed is. More in speed is. I'm going to play the whole solo a little bit slower this time, just so you can hear it without all the background. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.